I got all the Bondo. Most of the Bondo is done. Just got done sanding the rockers. Got this nice and smooth. I had a big hole here. You can see it. Got that all smooth. Got the rockers all done. Got most of the bed done. Gonna get some more Bondoing to do. I ran out of Bondo. CarQuest was closed today. Couldn't get nowhere Bondo. I have to fill in a little bit more here. This didn't come out too good. But better than it was, considering the age. But the rockers are all in solid. Getting there. Got to do the sides again. Got to finish up around the fender walls, back fender walls, and then the dash. And then it's put in some of the mat from Eastwood, the insulating mat, and then carpet. And it'll be like brand new. And that's it. Catch you later.